Hey guys, it's Warren here, and today we are making a pecan pie. This is a delicious dessert that's perfect to make around autumn and Thanksgiving time, guaranteed to impress your friends and family. Now, to start with, take 250 grams of pre-prepared short crust pastry, then roll it out until flat. Next, take a 9.5-inch pie dish that's been greased with some butter. Then carefully lay the pastry on top of the dish. And then, using your fingers, press the pastry onto the inside of the dish so there's no air pockets between the dish and the pastry. And if you find you don't have enough pastry to go all the way up to the edges of the dish, don't panic. Simply cut off some scraps of pastry and patch your pie up. Now remove any excess, then use a fork and prick the base of your pie, which will help it cook more evenly. Set the pastry aside, and then it's time to prepare our pecan filling. Firstly, take a mixing bowl and add 50 grams of caster sugar and 50 grams of light brown muscovado sugar. Then add 100 grams of cubed butter, then using either a food mixer, a food processor or a wooden spoon, cream the sugar and butter together until it's nice and fluffy and lighter in colour. Now, once the sugar and butter are done, take 150 grams of gooey golden syrup. Add the syrup to the mixing bowl and then crack in 3 large eggs. Also pour in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, then thoroughly mix these ingredients together. And once combined, stop mixing, and then for the most important ingredient, add 250 grams of pecans. Mix everything in the bowl together, then take the pastry case we set aside earlier. Now carefully pour the filling into the case until it's nice and level on top. And when you're happy there's enough filling to fill your pie, then place your pecan pie into an oven that's been preheated to 180 degrees centigrade, which is 350 Fahrenheit. Leave to bake for between 30 and 40 minutes until the pastry has turned lovely and golden and the filling has just started to crisp up. Then after the baking time, remove your pecan pie and leave to cool. And don't worry if the filling's a bit wobbly to start with, because as the pie cools down, the filling will firm up. And then, once cooled, this delicious pecan pie recipe is ready to serve, going great with whipped cream. And remember to check out more of my recipes by clicking on one of the videos on the screen.